Every day, educators and innovators are helping young people discover who they are and who they can become. Imagine if your boldest idea had the support, resources, and community to grow into real impact. We're excited to launch Round 5 of the Catalyze Challenge, a national funding opportunity awarding over $4 million to early-stage innovations in career-connected learning. We're looking for bold, new ideas developed within the last 3 years that help young people discover their purpose through hands-on career exploration and build skills through employer co-designed work-based learning. You don't need a fully built program to apply. Early-stage ideas are welcome. Through 3 phases, participants receive technical assistance to incubate their ideas, refine their approach, build action plans, and implement their program. Semi-finalists receive a $10,000 incubation award, and finalists earn up to $300,000 to implement their ideas during a full school year. Your idea could change a student's future. Your idea could transform career-connected learning. Your idea belongs here. Learn more at catalyzechallenge.org.